Jesus says in Revelation 3:20, "Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and fellowship with him." Jesus is knocking at the door of your heart tonight. He wants to come into your heart and change your life. He wants to have an impact on your community, your family, and your life. He wants to give you peace and joy that you've never known before. So, dear friend, let him come into your heart before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel.